Ooh, I saw that take. That was awesome. Nice fish.
Alright guys, my name's Ryan and I'm going fishing. Today is Thursday, November 11th. I took half a day. This is probably my last day of trout fishing for the next couple weeks. Rifle season starts next week and I generally don't go into the woods when there's a bunch of people with rifles. So unless I get out this weekend, but today's 55 degrees right now, beautiful day, and it's supposed to snow this weekend, so I don't know that I'm going to get out again, so this might be my last day, my last opportunity. And you know, I'm headed north today, and there's just something about driving to your fishing destination, isn't there? It doesn't matter if it's on a trout stream or, you know, you're surf casting in the ocean, or there's just something about it, the anticipation of it, the things of what might come, right? And at the end of the day, maybe it's the fish. Maybe you had a great fishing day with a lot of fish, a lot of big fish, or maybe it's something entirely different. You know, I've seen awesome, unbelievable rainbows while fishing, and I've had encounters with bears. The last outing I had, a bald eagle crashed into the stream and caught a salmon, I believe, or a really big trout, one or the other. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up for it right here. It's pretty cool. And, you know, yeah, so there's just something about that anticipation and that excitement. So I'm super excited today. Nobody's at the first spot that I stopped at, so I'm going to jump in here and we're going to go. It's going to get dark a little sooner, so I probably got about 4 hours to fish, so let's go see what happens today. Thanks for coming along.
All right, water is low and clear. It's clouding up nicely outside. We're supposed to get some rain here in a couple hours. It's supposed to rain through the evening, so hopefully that will help our cause. This one I'm starting with, Mepps XD Rainbow. Only 2 hooks, but we're going to try it because that's the only one I've got. I suspect the spawn to be over. We've had a few nights of frost, cold, so I suspect that it will be done. And we won't see very many fish, if any, on beds. But I could be wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. Maybe that's a fish right there. Yep, 2 of them. One for sure. Leave that one alone. Nice one though. Right. First hookup of the day. Right here. Come there, buddy. Come here. You're a nice fish. We'll take you. I'll be happy about it. Thanks. I switched to a gold blue fox, and I got him. Wow, he swallowed it too. We're gonna have to do a little hemo action here. There we go. First fish of the day. See, bud, you are cold. Holy smokes. This water has gotten very cold. All right, that's great. Hung that one way outside. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, there went a fish. That's a big head. Holy smokes. I don't know if that had any size to him or not, but nope. And I'm in the tree. There's a follow. Ooh, I saw that take. That was awesome. Nice fish. Nice fish. I saw him come up for it. That was cool. Clear water, saw the whole thing. Didn't know you, had no idea he was there though. Nice fish. Oh, he hog-tied himself. Oh, now he's on hog-tied. That was fun. Saw that whole take. Come here, dude. Ooh, you're beautiful. Get my net, get my net. Yes, sir. Let's go over here. Wow. Probably about a 19-incher. Be my guess. I wonder if that's the fish that bumped it. Wow, are you a big one. Let's put you this way so I can get a better grip on you. Oh, I know. I know. Got you right in the corner of the mouth. There we go. Beautiful fish. Look at that gold. Wow. Just a beaut. Thank you, buddy. Water's cold. You can swim away anytime. There you go. Thank you. Short. Caught the rock. Yeah. This looks like a bed down here, so I'm not stepping in it. Could be an old salmon bed. It's pretty big, but either way, don't want to step in it. Ruin any eggs. So we'll avoid it. Ooh, nice fish. Wow, is that a big fish? Oh, and I screwed it up because I'm hung up on a rock. That sucks. That was a monster. And then I'm hung up again. Yeah, that was a big fish, boy. You ain't gonna want anything I'm throwing after seeing me. Dang it. Big trout. Big trout. That was a dandy. Daymaker there. Oh, fish rising. There's a fish. There we go. Alright guys, that's my last fish for the day, so I'm losing daylight. I got a little bit of a walk back. If I'm being completely honest today, fishing was much slower than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be an absolute banner day, you know, middle of the week. You know, everybody's focused on rifle season. I expected the spawn to be pretty much over and the trout to just be on their feed bag, and that just wasn't the case today. So I did catch some nice ones though. I'm happy about that. Turned a couple of really nice ones, and yeah, it was still a good day to be out. It is going to be a couple of weeks before I'm out again, and it'll probably be darn near winter by then. But like I said earlier in my introduction with rifle season, I don't go in the woods. So
it'll be a couple of weeks before I'm back out, but I think I've got enough videos that hopefully it's just regularly scheduled programming for you guys, and my videos don't miss a beat. So thanks for coming along. Be good to one another. We'll see you next time.